Hi, I'm Lawrence Mittler with Best Kept Secrets of Fine Audio, and today we'll be reviewing the Esoteric K-07 SACD CD player. Let's start with construction first. The front side top panels made of thick aluminum and a rounded form with no screws on the top panel and corners. This gives it a robust look and also helps to eliminate any vibrations in the K-07. Here's an overview of the K-07 with the lid off. Center drive mechanism here, multi-layered boards over here, and a toroidal transformer over here. Here's a close-up of the silent tray mechanism that Esoteric used. Beautiful dampening material that they use here to minimize any vibrations internally with the disc sitting on the tray as it neatly slides into the mechanism. There's actually a new transport system used in the K-07. It used to be the VRDS Neo VMK3, but there's a new transport mechanism now used. It is a VOSP, a vertically aligned optical stable platform. It features a specifically designed shaft-mounted laser pickup assembly. This pickup design ensures that the laser optical axis is always at the center of the data track. The VOSP mechanism is rigidly clamped by a steel plate and a large diameter stabilizer made of 8mm thick steel for superior anti-resonance and anti-vibration properties. Here's a close-up look at that VOSP mechanism. As you can see here, and here is the loading tray right here. The DA converters inside the K-07 are the AK4399. It's part of the Audio 4 Pro trademark and is branded product of the Ashai Kasai Micro Devices Corporation. It is designed for professional studio and audiophile applications. The features of the K-07 include a dual mono DA converter based on the concept of the top-of-the-line model, the K-01. The analog output circuit of the DA converter has both high-end resolution as well as natural and musical texture. Ashai Kasai's top-end 32-bit DAC device, AK4399, is used. A parallel differential output where two circuits combined per channel provides high linearity and low noise. The converters and analog output circuits, which make up for a fully dual mono configuration, are located on the left and right-hand sides of the board, completely separated from the digital signal processing circuit. This layout allows for excellent channel separation and high-quality playback with rich localization and sonic depth. The large capacity toroidal transformer provides low noise, low distortion, and high current with very high efficiency. The strong power circuits combined with very large power capacitors supply stable and clean power to all circuits. The K-07 features digital filter off mode and 4 types of digital filters. There are 2 types of digital filters: the finite impulse response digital filters and the apodizing filters. These filters eliminate the pre-echo in the impulse waveform to reproduce audio signal as a more natural and precise sound. The K-07 offers 3 digital inputs. Here we see them: USB-B input, optical input, and coaxial input. These 3 inputs support high sampling rates up to 24-bit 192 kilocycle. The USB input supports asynchronous transmission up to 24-bit 192 kilocycle. In order to achieve this, Esoteric provide the original driver software for PC or Mac. Additionally, a USB isolator which prevents noise from entering from external sources such as PC or Mac allows for high-quality reproduction of Studio Master quality sources. The K-07 use high-quality buffer circuits. For the final stage of analog output, buffer amplifier, the new JRC's high-end audio operational amplifier muses are used. These buffer circuits are laid out symmetrically for each of the hot-cold signal lines to construct a fully balanced configuration. When the RCA output is selected, the buffer amplifier is switched to parallel configuration. These enhancements provide the best sound quality for each of the balanced and unbalanced audio signal outputs. K-07 supports digital master clock link with an external clock generator. This new technology used in the K-07 was originally developed by the PO2 and DO2. With this technology, the DA converter simply uses an ultra-high precision master clock, 22.5792 megacycle, supplied from external master clock without a need to sync its operation to the master. At the back of the unit is a clock sync. This function allows upgrading to a higher quality sound system by connecting the unit to a high precision master clock generator when playing back Super Audio CDs. A 10 megahertz clock is supported in addition to the word clock, 44.1 to 176.4 kilocycle. When the unit is in DA converter mode, asynchronous USB connection supports clock sync function. In addition to playback at the original sample rate and word length, the extensive DD conversion modes for PCM formats include pulse code modulation up conversion to a ×2 or to a ×4 from the original sampling frequency, using the RDOT algorithm, as well as PCM to DSD conversion to convert the PMC audio signal to DST format, similar to Super Audio CD. Super Audio CD is directly converted into analog signals and played back. Some additional features: 32-bit precision digital attenuator function, user selectable output level adjustment of the XLR output 0 dB to 6 dB, and XLR pin assignment can be changed to match external devices, pin 2 hot or pin 3 hot. This is fabulous. Here's the rear view of the K-07. Digital output, optical and coaxial. RCA right here and right XLR. Digital input, USB optical coaxial. Input here with the clock sync. RCA left out, or line out, left channel, RCA and XLR out. Signal ground here, and IEC connector right here. As you can see, the 2 feet in the front, and the larger foot here is at the back to help stabilize the unit. Here's a close-up of the remote control provided with the K-07, fully featured. In summary, the K-07 is well built and well thought out. It has the latest technology built in.